Yes, my people, welcome back to Trouble Turn Up TV. Yes, guys, I have this one for you. This one is not normal. Well, if you don't know the Heehoo boss, the Jamaican Michael Jackson, have an interview. And my people, this interview is not normal. Just sit down and listen. You're gonna deal with joke. Oh God. Heehoo.
Inspired you from Michael?
I gotta name out the whole of them.
Well, people, guys, better sit down while watching this because
Smooth Criminal. Wanna be something. Thriller. Beat It. Billie Jean. They don't care about us.
They don't really care about us.
In the Closet.
Keep it in the closet.
Earthstorm.
Earth song, yeah, come on.
Man in the Mirror.
Man in the Mirror. Yeah, when you listen to them songs, how did it make you feel?
Feel good. And dancing, moonwalking, spinning to the robot, grudge my crab, kick up my leg, and moonwalk and go on my toe sand.
Yeah.
And do the circus slide, fling away my head and grab my crutch, and kick up my feet.
Yeah.